Hi everyone, hi family. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an amazing rice water recipe and also 3 ways in which you can make use of rice water for healthy hair growth. If you're new here, my name is Mona and my channel is all about natural hair tips and tricks. I also help you grow your hair healthy, longer, fuller and also luscious. If that is what you like, please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button and do not forget to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I create a new video. So guys, just get ready, get your pen and paper because we'll be diving into the video. And do not forget to follow this video till the end. Please watch it till the end so you don't miss out on any point, on any method. Use it exactly the way you see it in this video. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So the first ingredient we are going to be making use of today is our rice. You can make use of white rice, you can also make use of brown rice. It all depends on what you have available in your kitchen. So today I'll be making use of the white rice I have. So you can make use of any quantity. And rice is very essential for our hair. Rice water helps detangle your hair. It makes your hair smoother and also makes your hair stronger. The next ingredient we're also going to be making use of is our onion. And like you know, onion is very good for our hair because it's loaded with what? With sulphur, which is one of the main burns we have in our hair that strengthen our hair and also make our hair thicker and fuller. So guys, let's get started into the method on how to prepare this rice water recipe and also rice milk recipe. So I'm going to be showing you all 3 ways in which you can use rice water and rice itself. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'll be using 1 cup of rice because my hair is long and very thick. So I'll be using 1 cup of rice for this recipe. So as you can see, like so, 1 cup. And then I've measured my rice. So after measuring your rice, you want to wash your rice thoroughly. And what I usually do is I add salt to my rice and then wash it thoroughly to remove all those fertilizers that must have come with the rice during harvesting. So make sure you wash it with salt very well. Rice water contains inositol. Rice water also contains vitamin C and so many other vitamins. Rice water helps to make your hair smoother and it contains amino acids which can bond with your hair strands and nourish them from within. Rice water also makes your hair shinier due to the amount of vitamin E rice water contains, and it also helps to reduce frizz and also dull hair. Rice water as well helps to prevent graying. The antioxidant present in rice water help reverse age damage on your hair, and it promotes cell regeneration from the inside. This also strengthens your hair and it also helps fight environmental damage from dust and also pollution. Aside that, rice water also aids in hair growth. So regular use of rice water can supply your hair with growth minerals, resulting in ambience lengths that are thick and very strong. So please do well to incorporate the use of rice water in your regimen. So after washing my rice like so, the next thing I'm going to do now is to put my rice, get a glass jar, and then I'll put my rice in my glass jar. You can also use plastic bowl if you have your plastic bowl, but please do not make use of any metal plates. Do not make use of any metal plate to prevent any reaction with the metal plate. So just get a glass jar or a rubber or plastic jar or container. So the next thing I'll be doing is to prepare my onion. I'm preparing my onion at the moment, as you can see. So you can make use of either white onion or red onion. Any one you have available is fine. So onion onion has a whole lot of benefit for our hair. If you've known me, I've been using onion for a while now, and it's part of what has really thickened my strands. Onion contains a whole lot of sulphur. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulphur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Also, the sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. As you know, collagen is very, very important, and you know that the protein our hair contains is called what? Keratin. And what strengthening that keratin is what? Is collagen. So onion contains the sulfur that helps promote collagen production, and in turn, collagen helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Aside that too, because of the tingling effect you get when you use onion juice helps to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, which in turn does what? Helps or aids in hair growth. So now I'm going to peel off my onion. After peeling my onion, please do not throw away the peel. I'm going to be showing you in subsequent video what to do with the onion peels. So I'm going to cut my onion now, dice it in smaller pieces, and like so. So that's my onion. And the next thing I would do now is to add the onion to my already washed rice that I put in my glass jar. So I'm going to be adding the onion now into the glass jar like so. So this recipe really helps. Now, as I prepare this, I want us to understand something. There's been a whole lot of misconception concerning the use of rice water. Rice water can either be fermented or you can do the boiling method. And there's one thing we all need to get clear. Rice water do not grow your hair. Rice water is not what grows out the hair from the scalp. Nope. What rice water does is that it thickens your strands, it reduces breakage, it aids in detangling easily, and since it reduces breakage and helps you detangle easily, rice water helps you retain length. It helps you does what? Retain length. It's not like it grows your hair from the scalp. So as you retain length, it will not make it look like your hair is actually growing. So your hair grows whether you use rice water or not. But what rice water does for you is that it helps you retain length. And aside that, rice water helps to do what? To coat your strands. As it coats your strands, it helps thicken your strands. So it makes your hair look thicker and also fuller. So that's the essence of rice water. And rice water also aids in reducing breakage. Rice water also aids in increasing the elasticity of your strands. Rice water makes your hair more elastic. So it increases the tensile strength of your hair. So at the same time as well, while using rice water, you have to be very careful. Rice water is not something you use every day, every time. Especially, you need to know your hair porosity while using rice water. If you have coarse, low porosity hair, please be careful how you make use of rice water. Oh yeah, you have to be very careful how you make use of rice water. So I added tea tree and also rosemary essential oils to our recipe. So why did I have to add tea tree? Apart from soothing an itchy scalp, tea tree helps to reduce dandruff and flaking, and it also prevents excess oil production. Tea tree also improves blood flow and allows nutrients to reach the hair follicles. It also balances the pH level of the scalp and stimulates hair growth circle to give you a head full of strong, healthy hair. And like we know, rosemary essential oil or rosemary itself has been proved to act more like minoxidil. So rosemary aids in hair growth and stimulates blood flow to your scalp, which aids in growing your hair. So you see that this recipe is rice water and onion juice recipe for hair growth is very, very important and something you need to try. So after Now, when you have fermented the rice, I actually fermented my rice for 7 days. You can actually ferment it for 24 hours or up to 7 days. So after fermenting my rice, I divided it into two. I sieved some of the rice water, and then the other one I blended it. The other one I blended it with the onion. So in order to get my rice milk. So now I have my rice milk. Rice milk contains a whole lot of nutrients. It contains inositol. It contains vitamins, a whole lot of vitamins, niacin that strengthens your strands and also help your hair grow healthy, longer, and thicker at the same time. And then I went ahead to add my cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has been used since centuries to promote hair growth. Cayenne pepper Cayenne pepper improves peripheral blood circulation and nourishes the scalp. Cayenne pepper contains a whole lot of goodness that strengthens the strands and also help our hair growth due to the stimulating effect it has on the scalp. So after that, I also added a mixture of MSM. It actually depends on you. You can add MSM if you have, because MSM helps to elongate the anagen phase of the hair, which is the growth phase. So now I put everything into my applicator bottle and then I'm applying it on my scalp. Apply it on your scalp thoroughly first before applying it on every other part or strands of your hair. Guys, rice water and onion juice for hair growth is very good. Just using rice water alone might not give you that complete benefit for your hair, but adding rice water and onion juice, you can see we have double hair growth benefits. So I would like you all to try this recipe and also try to add the cayenne pepper as well to it. Please let me know in the comment section how you have used your rice. Did you use it just your normal rice water? Did you do the fermentation process? Did you boil it? Or did you actually blend it together to get your rice milk? Or did you add onion to your rice? Please let me know in the comment section below. And let me know your hair porosity as well. Do you have, are you low, medium, or high porosity? Well, I have low porosity hair, so I am always very careful how I make use of rice water because of my low porosity hair. So rice water is very beneficial. So it doesn't grow your hair like some people claim. Like what it does, it aids in hair growth. It stimulates blood flow to your scalp, which aids in hair growth. And it also helps to do what? Not the rice water. Now, this my rice water recipe will actually stimulate. It depends on how you prepare your rice water recipe. So having my tea tree, my cayenne pepper, and also my rosemary essential oil, and then the onion juice, it will now help my rice water to be able to stimulate blood flow to my scalp, which will in turn increase or promote hair growth. So another essential thing about rice water is that, like I told you earlier, it coats your strands and it helps you retain length. So what matters to us is length retention, not just growth. So many people grow their hair. Your hair grow every day, but the problem is, do you actually retain the length you're growing? So this recipe will help you. So I actually covered my hair and left it overnight. So the next day I washed it at warm water and then I've styled my hair like so. Please do well to support me, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So until we meet again in our next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you all so much for watching once again. And please do well to follow me on my other social media platform at AfroLiciousMona on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram and also support me. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Thank you all so much. I love you guys. Bye.